dropped her bike off, cleaned up a little bit, and our Jeep is waiting for us downstairs. We're gonna do a tour. It's like a 3-4 hour tour. Go to a few different spots, and there she is. Nice. Yes.
Tak ngerti tuku tiket jere, saking warungnya Bromo.
Take 2. This time we have 4 wheels with a bigger motor. No seat belts, but that's okay. This crazy turn. Watch this. Camera around the other way. Oh, I missed it. I dropped the bike right there. Well, I didn't really drop it. I just couldn't make it around the turn, and I pulled off to the side and had to drag the bike across the road to get going again. It was fun. Here it goes. This is our drop-off area. We have to walk from here. So it's about 2 kilometers to the crater, just right over there. You can take a ride on one of these horses. They're about 50K for each person. About 15 minutes into the hike or the walk, starts to go uphill. Looks like the traction is pretty good going up. A little sandy, but if you got some good shoes, it'll be a fairly easy hike up. Those are stairs that'll take you to the top of the crater, and then once you get there, there's like a diving board there. I'm not sure why.
Hello.
Hello. Almost there. 5 more minutes, we'll be on the stairs. They tell you it's only 200 steps up. They don't tell you about the hill to get to those 200 steps. It doesn't even look like 200 steps. Wonder how new this lava rock is. We got our 200 steps. If you have really good aim, you can take your motorbike up this little tiny ramp. That's how big it is. 1 full pole. You take your scooter on top of a volcano. Who's stopping you? I don't know too many hikes they can go on that can top this. Hiking to an active volcano, looking straight down the crater. Can't really see the lava. I'll put the drone up. Maybe I'll be able to see the liquid hot magma. Just boiling down there, bubbling. Deep. It's like a giant toilet bowl hole. You know, like the toilet bowl? And then you have the hole inside the toilet bowl. That's what that looks like. Heading back down now. We're gonna head to the next spot. Apparently there's a Teletubbies hill here. Anywhere you go in Indonesia, any island, there's a Teletubbies hill. Those are a bunch of little baby volcanoes. We're just gonna like walk on top of them or something like that. There's our ride. 9 hours later, we're back. Not really, it's only 2 hours. Supposed to head that direction toward the sand dunes, Teletubbies Hill. Now it's time for me to do a sexy photo shoot in front of this machine here. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did filming it. It was one of my biggest highlights of my entire 4-week motorbike tour across Java, Indonesia that is in as near completion. If you're wondering what the story is behind the first 2 clips in the beginning, do make sure you watch the first half of the Bromo trip that's linked at the end of this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Coconut in the wild you can get. This was just picked from a tree 2 minutes ago. Bang, 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 bang.